Meaning of half-hourly.
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 Half-hourly. Half-hourly refers to something that occurs every half hour, or at intervals of 30 minutes. This term is commonly used in the context of measuring energy consumption, or it refers to the frequency at which a device's energy usage is recorded. For example, a half-hourly meter would take energy readings every 30 minutes, providing a more accurate and detailed picture of energy usage compared to meters that only measure consumption once an hour or less frequently. Overall, half-hourly describes events or measurements that occur every half hour, and it is particularly relevant in the context of energy monitoring and management.